Hey guys, yes, we're walking on the beach again. Had a funny miscommunication with the daughter earlier today because despite the fact that the calendar said Bob and I are gone until tomorrow, she still thought we were babysitting tomorrow. I said, well, we can, but don't bring him at 9 because we won't be home. So, yeah, so we need to let her know when we're home, give her an ETA. We'll probably be babysitting for at least a couple hours so she can get some stuff done. And yeah, anyway, right now we're walking with that because why not? And I don't have a coat on. It's not that cold. And yeah, we're gonna grab something to drink and a snack maybe at some point, walk around downtown a little bit, but taking the fun way to get there because why not? All right, we will be back. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah. Guys, one last look at the beach. We are headed home. But yeah, it's been great. Who wouldn't love that though? I mean, come on. Yeah, it's wonderful. Anyway, Inn of the Four Winds. It's literally right on the promenade in Seaside, Oregon. There are a few hotels that are on the promenade and have easy access to the beach. This is just one of them, but it's the one that we prefer. So anyway, and Noni's Italian Bistro last night, double thumbs up. That was really good food. I do recommend that too. All right, I'll be back. Guys, all right, it is Wednesday, December 31st, New Year's Eve. I'm a little bit winded and out of breath because I didn't film any of it because hello, boring filming. I just cleaned and reorganized all my fabric and yarn and unfinished projects, and I have two here that I want to do ASAP. And then I have a bunch of blankets and different things down here. I have leftover jumbo skeins of yarn. I'm sorry, no I don't. I have some more projects in these two bins here, and then I have woobles over there because I got a lot of woobles for Christmas. This whole bank of stuff here now on the bottom green bins are all yarn and the top white bins are fabric, and I have those 3 white bags of stuff to give away. I know, right? I also almost forgot I have these. There's 2 of them. I need to go back downstairs or something. Anyway, my back hurts now, so I am going to get out my label maker, but sit down for a minute, take a deep breath, and have something to drink. Then we'll relabel bins. But yeah, that has been something I have wanted to do for at least a month. It is New Year's Eve. We're probably not going anywhere, and I am really glad to get it done. I'm going to list all of the white bags here on the local Buy Nothing group. There's some leftover wool in there, fabric scraps, kind of big pieces, projects I'm just never going to make, including a slipper project that's been in there for at least 2 years. So we're going to put it on Nextdoor and see if anybody wants it. I mean, Nextdoor. Buy nothing. See if anybody wants it. All right. I'll be back. It's been a couple days since I picked up the camera. A lot of post-holiday stuff going on. Nothing big. But I'm at Walmart. I'm out running errands. Some crafty, some otherwise, and they're just hanging out in the parking lot. Yeah. Anyway, make sure I lock the car. We're gonna go see if we can find some Tim Hortons. I'm gonna get a book, paper, no ebook, a book. We did a post-Christmas weekend away for 4 days. Hold on, did a post-Christmas weekend away for 4 days, and I didn't bring my Kindle. I didn't even pick up my tablet that much. I did have it with me. I spent most of the time walking, reading a book with paper pages, and knitting. Can't say I'm mad about it. Also didn't pick up the camera too much. Did pick it up a few times. Anyway, after we got back, we've been spending a lot of time working on the knitting project, trying to finish the sweater. I'm working on the sleeves. It's not quite done yet, but we're getting close. Cleaning the art room, you saw a clip of that. Getting rid of some purge stuff, which was gone within a couple of hours. Somebody came and got another crafty person in the area came and got it. Yay. Polyus's mother, my son-in-law's mother, made them a beautiful crocheted piece, but it needed to be blocked and starched, so I did that for them. And then working on modifying their advent calendar because the pockets were too small. I don't know. I have 11 months for that, as according to the son-in-law, but I'm going to try to get it done. But anyway, Monday, back to normal schedule. The geese are just having a grand old time. But we're going to run some errands. I'll take you with me where I can. First stop, Walmart, because I need to stock up on Tim Hortons. And hold on. Somebody lost a cable. Okay, put it right there. So we're gonna get some Tim Hortons. I'll look at a couple other things and see what we can find. I'll be back. Around an actual bookstore in so long. I'm here in Beaverton, Oregon at Powell's Books at Cedar Hills Crossing, Cedar Hills something. And I ended up buying 3 books. And all of them sound super interesting, so I can't wait to read them. Next, we're going to try going to either Daiso or Five Below, or both. I gotta Google and see which one's closer. I need some more magnets. I found some at Walmart, but they're really big, which is fine. I'll use them, but I could use some smaller ones. They're originally from Daiso. That doesn't mean they're going to have them anymore. So we'll see. All right, I'll be back. Hey, you guys, I was thinking that it was going to be another week that we closed the vlog on Sunday. But it's 10:32 p.m., Saturday, January 3rd, and we're filming in my bathroom instead. I finished my sweater. Well, I haven't woven in any of the ends, but I'll do that tomorrow or during the week. But she's done. The last unfinished object for 2025 that there was any way in heck I was going to get done. I'm going to count it as a win because it's still Christmas vacation. Bob doesn't go back to work till Monday. So, but I stayed up late. We got it done. I love the way it fits. It's kind of loose and baggy, but I love that. And the sleeve, it's got like 3/4 sleeves, which I also love. I'm that person that really doesn't like long sleeves on a lot of things. Hold on, let's see if I can prop you up. There you go. So this is the sweater, and it's the same pattern for the pullovers that I've been using, and I love it. It's very easy to do, and I've modified it to do the 3/4 sleeve, which I love. These colorful strips of yarn are from our trip to Arizona last year, and this, as I said previously, is this is Cascade 220 Superwash, and I bought it when Craft Warehouse was closing a couple of locations. So anyway, yeah, it was a lot of fun. Other than running around and doing errands and doing laundry this morning, I didn't get a lot else done. I did score some magnets to restock my stash at Walmart, which is weird because I didn't think I'd get magnets there, but I did. Also found a cute piece of floral fabric. I don't need it, but I bought it. I did find the coffee I was looking for. We went to Powell's Books, and I did find some actual books with pages. There's this thing going on YouTube about an analog bag. Basically, it's a bag of things, whether it's knitting or crocheting or reading a book or games or puzzles or something that have nothing to do with electronic things. Not your phone, not your tablet, that you can do alone in a coffee shop or you can do with friends. I kind of like that idea. And that might be one of the reasons I got back into needlework. Anyway, so I've been watching some of those while I've been working on this, and I just absolutely love it. Anyway, it's been a good week. Did I get a lot of creative stuff done besides this? No. I did spend a lot of time with the family, extra time with the grandson, and Bob. And you know what? I don't mind that. I did tease him that, you know, this is what retirement's going to look like. You're going to be doing that shortly, and, you know, we're going to be together nonstop. You're going to be okay with that? He's, yeah, I think I can live with it. So anyway, I hope you all had a great holiday season. I hope you had a happy new year. And let's cross our fingers that this next year is a good one. Wishing peace and happiness and harmony on everybody. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And go out and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.